Want a $350 bonus from Fifth Third? In the next minute, we'll show the exact steps to qualify. This promotion rewards new eligible checking customers who complete a set of requirements during the promotional window. Eligibility usually means you're a new customer to the qualifying account and haven't had a Fifth Third checking account recently. Confirm which checking accounts are eligible on the current promotion page before applying. Rules can vary by account. Start by opening the qualifying checking account online or in branch and complete any required initial deposit at account opening. Now the core requirements. Set up qualifying direct deposits, complete any transaction requirements, and keep the account open in good standing. Step 1. Open the qualifying checking account using the promotional link or enter the promo code if the offer requires one. Step 2. Make the required opening deposit. Many offers only need a small minimum deposit. Check the promotion for the exact amount. Step 3. Set up qualifying direct deposits. The offer will state a required total amount and time window, for example within 60 to 90 days. Step 4. Complete any required debit card purchases or bill pays if listed in the promotion. Track the number and timeline carefully. Step 5. Keep the account open and in good standing through the specified period and avoid disqualifying actions like early closure or excessive overdrafts. After you meet all requirements, the bank will deposit the bonus within the time frame listed in the offer. Ready to apply? Use the promo link and enroll today.